Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to any new subscribers. Before I get stuck into today's video, I just wanted to let you know that my urban sketching tutorial is finally available and you can find it on my website. If you've been wanting to add more textures, layers, and a splash of colour to your sketches, then this video is for you. The video is about an hour long, and in it, I walk you through and explain each step of my painting process. I advise on drying time, when to add splashy paint, and when to add pen and detail. Along with the video, there will be some printables, the reference photo I used, my pencil sketch of the building so you can trace over it, and my favourite is this cheat sheet. On one page, I've included the 3-stage strategy I use when urban sketching, and in the other sections, I've added the 5 urban sketching tips so you can take this with you when you're out and about sketching. You can find the tutorial on my website, and I've put a link in the description box. I have had the dreaded cold/sinus issue that has been going around, and I've had that for the past, I think, almost 2 weeks. I'm finally feeling better, but when I did go out to sketch this, I was still feeling a little out of sorts. I didn't have my mechanical pencil with me. I think one of my daughters has gone through my bag and left me with a blunt 4B pencil. I ended up having to whittle the pencil down to get even a tiny bit of lead. But I was in the mood to sketch, so I took my things, and I was hesitant with this particular building because it's not that inspiring. There are always tons of people outside. Sketching people in a scene is not always something I'm drawn to, but the yellowish green of the building, I really wanted to try and replicate it. I've noticed that whenever I'm sketching a building that has a bright colour, a colour that's unusual or that's never used, like magenta, orange, I have a tendency to then not want to go over it with any other shadow colour. I just want to keep the colour pure and fresh, and that doesn't always work when you're trying to add texture and interest, atmosphere to your sketch. So I tried my best with this one. I did lay down the first wash, and I did not want to go over it. I initially was hating on this sketch, but looking back at it and whilst I was editing, I changed my mind and I really love it now. I kept having to get up and move because one of those long-legged wasps kept flying by, and I had this paranoia it was going to land in my hair or something. On this particular day, it was one of those instances where it started off not very sunny and I was unsure of where to put the shadows, so I just added shadows where I thought may look good. I tried to be quick sketching this because it was a windy day, so everything was drying really fast. I sometimes will set myself a goal for the year ahead on what I want to aim for with my sketches, and I've been more drawn to scenes lately, where in the past that's never been the case. I'm usually more drawn to one subject and I just like to focus on that. So I may start filming some time lapses of scenes because I'm not used to it. I'm not sure how that'll go and I don't know if I'll like it, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm finally glad to be getting over this cold. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. And I will see you in the next one.